I figure I would brave it once again. Got my rubber boots on now. Fuck, this grass is wet. I'm such an ironic statement. Man, somebody has to be the dumbass who films this shit so you guys can see it. And unfortunately, that is me. I guess fortunately, oh man, that just seemed like it was so fucking close to this iPod. I wonder if vernacular affects how this video is going to be rated. Hopefully not. Jesus. Actually, it'd probably be a bad idea to swear if there's a God up there. He probably wouldn't be too happy with me. Man, usually you can see like some kind of weird fucked up face in the clouds when this kind of shit is happening, but there really isn't one tonight. I wonder if I should get a better angle. Oh. Fuck. I wonder. Man, when I was in the mountains, it was even crazier. It freaking just illuminated everything up around me. Okay, that was pretty bright too. It's a pretty dark night in general. At least it doesn't smell like burning nitrogen around here. There's like a 2-second delay between lightning and thunder. That's probably not a very good thing. Holy shit, that was sweet. That's basically all I can say is swear words to how cool this stuff is, because yeah, it's the only way to describe it. It's just like a black screen until something is produced. We need more positive and negative electrons, please. These crickets just make this so much more ominous. Holy shit, that was like instant thunder right there. Yeah, this is kind of sweet. Sweet like nectar. Although the queen is really the slave of the hive. Come on, lightning. Come on. I don't think it's gonna happen. Sweet. That is one gnarly cloud. It's like, well, it's pretty much encompassing my house now. It's like reached a point of being over my house, star, then columbus, nimbus. Oh well. And there's a dumbass airplane flying through this cloud. He is gonna have a fun time. Holy shit, that was so bright. And that was like instant thunder yet again. Social Darwinism. I don't know how monkeys evolved. Probably mushrooms. Pot maybe. I think I'm at my end though. 5 minutes of holy shit, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the one where there's no frickin' thunder is the one I fucking count. Well, then again, if that lightning's travel at like 300, holy crap, 300,000 kilometers, and the speed of sound is like, I don't know, 15, crap, I don't even know what it is. Oh well, that lightning's moving like 10 times faster. One more minute of this nonsense. I just need one more single one. Nice deep rumble. Father trying to overtake mother. That'd be an interesting battle. All the elements of the earth against Mother Nature, or against Mother Earth. I guess if it was Mother Nature, it'd just be battling itself, which is technically what we're doing our whole life. Fight the tempest. Fuck. Oh, that airplane seems to already be through the clouds. I can just faintly make out the stars behind this cloud. It seems really dark, this cloud, for some reason. Even though there's no satanic evil face in it, it still seems kind of twisted that this show is from this. I just need one more. Nice. Oh, that was like the greatest finale ever.